Cedar and cypress trees planted in the 70s as part of a reforestation project have become a nuisance after 50 years. A large-scale operation is underway to remove over 3,000 of these diseased trees to save the environment. Joseph Kim reports.
The sky is covered in a haze of dust. This is pollen from cedar and pine trees. In early spring, the volume of this pollen drastically increases in Jeju, triggering environmental diseases such as atopic dermatitis. Planted 50 years ago as part of a greening project along oreum and roads, cedar and cypress trees have now become a source of air pollution and visual blight, prompting a removal effort. Heavy machinery is being used to uproot trees as tall as 10 meters. Branches are trimmed with chainsaws, and the trees are cut down for use as waste wood. Once the trees are cleared, the previously hidden autumn and natural landscapes come into view. According to the province's survey, cedar trees cover 4,300 hectares of state-owned forests, and 82% of them are over 30 years old, the age considered necessary for removal. However, due to over 50 years of unmanaged growth, more than 90% of cedar forests now exceed proper tree density, disrupting natural vegetation. This year, 400 million Korean won will be invested to remove 3,100 cedar and cypress trees along Route 516 and near Oreum.
516 도로변의 그 가로 경관을 개선하고 또 삼해악 오름 하부 능선부터는 산림 순환 경영을 목적으로 해서 삼나무 정비 시범 사업을 적극 시행할 계획입니다. 정비를 해서 건강한 숲으로 조성하기 위한 계획입니다.
Forest authorities plan to monitor whether native vegetation can recover naturally rather than artificially replanting trees and gradually expand the cedar removal areas. Joseph Kim, KCTV.